Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a culinary adventure in store for you as we dive into the unknown facts about a beloved Russian delicacy, blini. These thin, delectable pancakes have a rich history and hidden secrets that are waiting to be uncovered. So, let's flip our way into the world of Russian blini. History and origins. First things first, let's talk about the history and origins of blini. Did you know that these delightful pancakes date back to pre-Christian Slavic times? They were initially made as a symbol of the sun, celebrating the arrival of spring. Talk about a rich history. Different names. While we commonly call them blini, these pancakes have different names depending on the region. In Western Russia, they're known as blini, while in Eastern Russia, you might hear blinchiki or blintzes. It's fascinating how one dish can have so many aliases. Maslenitsa Festival. Blini are an integral part of the Maslenitsa Festival in Russia, also known as Pancake Week. This week-long celebration marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring. During this festival, blini are enjoyed in abundance as a symbol of the sun's return. Toppings and fillings. Now, let's talk about the endless variety of toppings and fillings for blini. From the classic combination of sour cream and caviar to sweet options like jam and honey, blini are incredibly versatile. You can even try savory fillings like mushrooms, cheese, or smoked salmon. The possibilities are endless. Thin as a sunbeam. Another fun fact about blini is their thinness. Traditional blini are so thin that they are often compared to the rays of the sun. The thinner, the better. Achieving that perfect, delicate texture takes skill and practice. The blini making ritual. Making blini isn't just about cooking. It's a social and family ritual in Russia. Families often gather in the kitchen, each person taking turns to flip and enjoy these delicious pancakes. It's a beautiful tradition that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. Blini art. Believe it or not, there's a fascinating world of blini art. Some culinary artists create intricate designs and patterns on blini. It's not just about the taste, it's also about the visual appeal. You can truly appreciate blini as an art form. Blini around the world. Did you know that blini have cousins around the world? In France, they have crepes. In Scandinavia, they enjoy thin pancakes. And in India, there's the famous dosa. It's amazing how a simple concept of thin pancakes has evolved in various cultures. Regional variations. Beyond Russia, blini have regional variations within the country itself. In the northern regions, blini are typically made with buckwheat flour, while in the south, wheat flour is the go-to choice. These variations reflect the diverse agricultural landscapes of Russia. Blini in literature and art. Throughout Russian literature and art, blini have made their mark. They've been mentioned in classic works by authors like Tolstoy and Dostoevsky. Paintings and illustrations also often feature blini, showcasing their cultural significance. Symbol of prosperity host. In Russian folklore, blini are often associated with prosperity and abundance. It's customary to stack them high, symbolizing a bountiful harvest. This tradition is carried on today during celebrations and special occasions. Blini festivals worldwide. Believe it or not, blini have gained popularity beyond Russia's borders. In some parts of the world, like the United States and Canada, you can find blini festivals celebrating this beloved pancake. It's a testament to the universal appeal of this dish. Blini trivia quiz. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you've learned. I've got some blini trivia questions here, so get ready to test your knowledge. Blini in modern cuisine. As times change, so do culinary trends. Today, you'll find blini used in creative and innovative ways. From blini wraps to blini cakes, chefs around the world are reinventing this classic dish. And there you have it, our journey into the unknown facts of Russian blini. These thin, delectable pancakes hold a special place in Russian culture, from their historical significance to the modern-day celebrations during Maslenitsa. The variety of toppings and fillings, the thinness, and the family tradition make blini truly unique. So, next time you enjoy blini, remember the rich history and traditions that come with this delightful dish. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Russian blini, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures. And, as always, let us know in the comments below what you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.